Incredible suction. Deep cleaning power to take on large debris, small debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. No hair wrap. Self-cleaning brush roll removes pet hair and long hair as it cleans, no more hair wrap. Phone or voice command. Schedule whole home cleanings with the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Row by row cleaning. Methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. Recharge and resume. The Shark IQ robot vacuum will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. Perfect for pets. Designed for homes with pets, this automatic vacuum features an XL capacity dustbin, a self-cleaning brush roll, and a high-efficiency filter to capture dust, dander, and pet allergens. Handle edges and corners. Dual spinning side brushes pull in debris from corners and edges. Top reviews from the United States. Marvelous invention. This is my favorite appliance in the house. I watch it run and it's wonderful. It doesn't complain that I asked it to vacuum. It doesn't ask why did you tell me to do this terrible job and not someone else? It also starts every night at the same time like I asked it to without saying, oh, it'll do it. Someday. I have rugs, hard floors and carpet on this level and it does a great with everything. I was surprised actually and a little horrified by the amount of stuff that it gets every night. It's doing a really great job. It hasn't shown me a map yet. I am excited about that feature. I have about 1,500 square feet that it cleans beautifully and without any complaints every night. I do empty it every night, or first thing in the morning. I am not sure why that is so terrible though. If anything, it makes me want to thank the vacuum for helping get all the dirt off my floor. It took me minutes to set it up and install the app on my phone. I only have one problem now. I really want one for my upstairs.